Are you joining the future German trainers workshop? If no, then yes. You are watching Germangyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, today's video I'm gonna announce a very amazing thing, because I think that you all were waiting so much for the workshops which I was about to do some years ago, but due to some reasons I was not able to do. So right now guys, on 20th March after Holi, the Sunday is coming, which is 20th March at 9 p.m. we are having a workshop for future German trainers. If you want to become a trainer, especially in German language, if you want to know that from where all the study materials we find, from how we teach, what is the pattern of teaching, each and everything, how you can grow yourself as a German trainer, how you can get the work for German trainers, which companies give you the works, which schools, which university, everything in one workshop you all gonna watch, which is on 20th March 9 p.m. That will be a 40 to 50 minutes workshop, and yes, you have to pay only 250 for that workshop. I personally think that this workshop will help you so much to grow your career. So if you are looking, or if you are planning to become future German teacher, then yes, this workshop is for you. So yes, just come and enroll yourself. For enrolling, you just need to WhatsApp me on 9643430783 and you are perfect to go. How you have to pay? You can pay, so you can pay me on Paytm, Google Pay, Phone Pay, anywhere, wherever you are comfortable on the similar number, and then you have to send me your name and the screenshot of the payment on the WhatsApp number. So guys, I am willing to watch you, to connect with you all at Sunday 9 p.m. So see you, and yes, till then keep learning German with Germangyan. Tschüss!